Welcome to KET's Workplace Essential Skills, an online study system featuring contextualized, targeted math and language arts lessons, as well as a soft skills component, all designed to help prepare learners to apply these skills in the workplace. When you log into Workplace Essential Skills, you will see the course homepage called the Dashboard. From there, you can access your career sector and course subjects, as well as some other features we'll cover later. If reading on a white screen strains your eyes, you can change the background color of the screen at any time by clicking on one of the circles. Let's look at a course. Many subjects begin with a video introduction. What exactly is logistics? In the business world, it's the management of the flow of goods from their point of origin to the customers. In today's fast-paced world, more and more shipments of materials require land, sea, and even air transportation. Everyone who assists with a package's journey along the way needs strong math skills to be successful at their jobs. Click on the blue box that says, "Click here to learn how to take this course" for step-by-step instructions on how to proceed. There are 5 lessons available in math and 5 lessons in language arts. This page also provides links to pre-tests and post-tests. You have access to all of the lessons in any course, but once you take the pre-test, you'll be provided with a study plan to guide you through the lessons you need the most. There are plenty of opportunities to practice in each course. Each lesson, like number sense, includes several practice questions throughout. There is also a 5-question review at the end of each lesson. A post-test is available and recommended after completion of all math and language arts lessons. Lessons, which are broken up into individual skills, give several instructional pages with examples, glossary terms, interactive media that allow for hands-on practice of a concept, and video explanations.
You may have heard this called carrying, but it means the same thing. Here's how regrouping works. First, add the numbers in the ones column, which have a sum of 13. Because you cannot put more than one digit at a place value, you leave the ones digit of the sum under the ones place and move the tens digit up to the top of the tens column. Then you add the tens value column, including the digit that was regrouped there. In this case, 1 plus 7 plus 1 equals 9. Now, let's look at another situation that requires addition with regrouping.
Videos feature current industry workers explaining the importance of the subject to their everyday work.
I do use a lot of basic math in my everyday work, typically with item counts and when a customer sends over a request for a certain amount of an item. Say a case of a product has 18 pieces in it. Typically we do ship just by the entire box, which is the full 18 pieces, but if they do send over a request for, say, only 10 pieces or only 6 pieces, we do need to be able to do the basic math to change the order to those numbers.
Additional activities feature authentic workplace documents. Throughout the course, a calculator and a highlighter are available. You'll find several options to enhance your learning experience. You can hear the text read aloud in English, or you can select another language. Look up a word, or even download for later listening. Also on the left sidebar is My Grades. Select this to view scores on the pretest, lesson reviews, and the post-test. When you achieve a score of at least 90% on the post-test, you will receive a printable certificate of completion. And that's it. Thank you for visiting Workplace Essential Skills.